phone in his right hand, LM17UKP. Nobody behind.
She cock it up, me dig it out, and me never take long. We do one thing, we not take no program. Pass me a light lava.
Swiping with both thumbs. Yeah, it's on his phone screen. Are you allowed to use your phone, sir? Are you allowed to use your phone, sir? You weren't when you came past me. You were using it when you drove past me back there. We'll leave it for the police and the magistrates to decide, okay? Carry on, sir. And of course, saying that you're stationary is an admission that you're using your phone, and you're not allowed to use it when you're stationary. I wonder if it's going to detect me. It's not, is it? Oh, it is, thank God. Well, indicate to go right. I'm afraid I've got a right turn arrow there, mate. There's no indicating needed, and it's not illegal to turn right. Not for bicycles anyway. For you it is, in your lane. So do wind your neck in.